A warm welcome and thank you for enrolling to Mastering Photoshop. This course is designed for students with absolute zero knowledge about Adobe Photoshop. The course starts with extreme basics and ends with high-end master's secret. With this course, you will learn that Photoshop is a complete creative tool. You can design a simple business card or a brochure or complicated product catalog or product packaging, brand logos, removal of backgrounds, and of course a lot of special effects. Professional portrait retouching and even cinema quality video editing. All this is packed tightly in this 22 hours course. The highlight of this course is 22 PSD files along with video explanation which you will be following along with me. This means over 20 to 40 hours of practical activity for you to become zero to a master of Adobe Photoshop. I'm using this wonderful application for over 23 years. For me, it was a shift from manual ad agency art studio with paintbrush, rotor pens, spray guns, chemical darkrooms to digital design studio. Therefore, I am trained to explore creativity with commercial aspect. The skills and techniques you will learn in this course is not for fun, but to accept the challenging assignments and deliver on time like a true professional and earn good money for your creativity. Often, people struggle with Photoshop just because they learn wrong and difficult techniques. In this course, you will learn the tricks to do things faster and easier. If you are here as a photographer, as a graphic designer, painter, web designer, or just as an enthusiast, at the end of this course, you will be a confident, professional and skilled Photoshop artist.